Look up from the hill, no look round at the faces of families closing their eyes.
Excuse me, miss. Are you in distress?
I locked my keys in my car. I can't believe how stupid I am.
Well, maybe I can be of assistance. Because you see, I happen to be a locksmith.
You know how to pick a lock?
Do I know how to pick a lock? Do I know how to pick a lock? I know how to pick a lock. Just give me a sec.
And I suppose if you don't succeed, you'll offer to buy me a drink at the bar downtown?
And if I do succeed, you'll pay for the sex? Drinks! Don't worry, I'm not one of those rapists or anything. And even if I was, I'd be one of those nice rapists that only wants to help people.
You're not really a locksmith, are you?
No, I am. Even if I wasn't, I'd still buy you a drink.
Look, I wasn't gonna say anything, but I'm kind of in a hurry.
Do you want this done or not, damn it? I mean, can you even begin to understand the concentration and the intricacy and the concentration that it takes to break into a complete stranger's car? I mean, yeah, in the movies it takes like 2 seconds, but last time I checked, honey, we're in the real world. I mean, all I wanted to do was help a fellow human being out in this crazy spinning universe. You don't even know me.
Well, how will I ever get to know you if you never give me a chance to find out who you are? Here, give me a hand with this. I'm all thumbs.
Now here, one has to go in over the other.
Okay.
So that they hold the pin and then just pull it.
Hey, you did it.
Shucks, we did it.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Hey, that's my car! Hey!
Hey,